So here is after I've lapped cylinder 2. You can see there. Now, some people you'll see talk about having a very thin line. That applies if you have like a 3-angle valve cut. But if you don't, basically that you want the seat area to make full contact all the way around. It's not varying and there's no gaps in it, and that's what I've got here. I've also done cylinder 4 as well, and I'll be moving on down. And what I'm using is the single compound. So what this starts out as is a coarse compound, grinding compound, and as you move it, it breaks down and gets finer and finer. So you don't have to switch grinding compounds. This one compound will keep breaking down and getting finer and finer until you get to the finest. And you can tell by the sound pretty much the way when it's getting there. And I'm using a drill. I'm using the drill method, oiling the stem, putting it into the valve guide, going on the backside, hooking the cordless drill up, applying just a slight amount of pressure back and forth on the valve as I push it into the seat. And I'll switch directions on the drill, pull it out, run it for a little bit in one direction, move the valve in and out a couple times to get the grit kind of realigned, and then as I finish it, you can hear it when it kind of gets to the finest point. It stops making a gritty sound and more like a sliding sandpaperish sound. And then you what I do is I speed it up right there at the very end, both directions, and then that's when it's got its finest grit, and pull it out and clean it off.